On 2 tonight, we are hearing from an HISD employee who says that he is self-quarantining and ran into nothing but confusion while trying to figure out where to go to get tested after he started to have symptoms.
Channel 2's Jacob Rascon joins us live from the Houston Health Department with the story. Jacob?
Yeah, good evening, Jonathan and Dominique. That HISD employee does not want to be identified, but says he is self-quarantined inside of his home after returning from a country on the CDC's travel warning list, and after he says going through a lot of trouble trying to get a coronavirus test. HISD asked the employee to self-quarantine, he says, along with an unknown number of students. HISD was professional. They jumped into action, he said. But the process to get tested is extremely unorganized. He says he called Houston Health, who told him to call his doctor, who told him to call Houston Health. Urgent care facilities didn't want to take him, so he went to a local hospital. I was quarantined in a negative pressure room, he said. They ran all the labs.
Most doctors know it, and so that surprises me that a doctor would not know.
Houston Health was surprised by the HISD employee's story, but we met another Houstonian who reported the same problem.
I had a cough and tightness of chest and some sinus stuff.
Evan Greenberg had coronavirus symptoms several days after returning from a business trip to Italy and says he struggled to get tested last week.
They told me, no, there's no test. Don't come in. Don't do anything. And then the second week I said, hey, are you sure?
Evan decided to self-quarantine and finally got tested at a local hospital. But Houston Health told him his test was never sent to the CDC.
I went to the emergency room, and that was the only place to go. They took me through a long ordeal. It was kept me there for 4 hours.
The Houston Health Department, by the way, recommends that if you have recently traveled to one of those countries on the travel warning list, that you self-quarantine in your home as a precaution for 14 days and that you call your doctor. Reporting live at Houston Health, I'm Jacob Rascon, KPRC, Channel 2 News.